everyone, welcome back to Fruitfully Feminine. I'm Gabrielle and today I'm going to be doing a cover of Silvousplaits' Game of Thrones hair Cersei Lannister in Season 2. Again, quick disclaimer, I make it in all my videos. I don't watch Game of Thrones. I've seen one episode ever and it was with my friend who wanted to show it to me. I think I know who Cersei is. I think Cersei's the mean one that they make walk naked in one episode through a street. Or I'm being stupid right now. This one looks like it's going to be a lot easier, which I'm really excited about because I am not great at hair. And the last few have gone really well. I think Silvousplaits, I don't actually know her real name yet, but she is really, really good at hair and explaining, and she does an incredible job. But I did straighten my hair for this look because it is a half up, half down, so I didn't want to have just like curly, messy hair. I think it can work with curly hair, and I could have tried it with that, but I think I'd prefer just, she has straighter hair, so I'm gonna have the straighter hair. Supplies needed today. The first one she mentions is a comb or brush.
You'll need a comb or a brush. You'll also need several bobby pins.
She said 20. I have like a million, so should be good. 20 seems like a lot though. I don't know if I've ever used more than 10. It'll be interesting to see.
Chopstick from your local college dining hall.
I would have totally bought a bodkin. I never have had one. I wasn't really interested, but she said she got a chopstick from college. I got one from Panda Express.
Couple small elastics.
I have three little guys here.
Smoothing serum.
Yes, I did go and buy it. I thought it would be best to do it like she does it, so I bought this bedhead TG after party. It was $9.50 something on Amazon, and I used my mom's Prime, so it was only $9.50 something. So with that being $10 and then a chopstick being free no matter where you're at, even if you pay for an Asian meal, you can walk into Asian places without paying and just say, can I have a chopstick, and they'll give you one. So that's free. The elastic and the bobby pins are like $2 each, so this is a $15 hair look. If you cut this out, it's $5. You don't need hair serum or whatever. It's just I wanted to do it like she does. She uses a wide tooth comb. I have this one. It's basically the same thing except it's black instead of green.
Apply it to your hair from about ear level down to the ends, and then even up the distribution by running your brush or comb through your hair.
She only puts a little bit. I just opened this today because it came in the package yesterday. Okay. I got a little bit. She rubs it together. It smells really good. Oh wow, that's weird. That's crazy. It's like instantly like shiny and silky. Oh my word. This is not paid. I'm not advertising this, but wow. I mean, look at the difference. I don't know if I'm showing it right. Then she says to comb it just to kind of even out. Ow. I had a little tingle. Wow. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. This is not sponsored by McDonald's either. Wow, it smells so dang good. Seriously. Are you guys seeing this? Are you seeing a difference? Do you just think I'm crazy? I'm seeing a difference.
Part your hair down the middle of your head.
Throw your hair back. Then she takes her chopstick to part, so. Perfect.
Next, separate a small section of hair along your frontal hairline.
She takes a really long time to separate the hair, but I feel like I can just do that. And I'm done. I think she's using the chopstick to make it even. I can't tell. I don't know. I'm an idiot. Good line to me. Maybe pull some of these back because they're too short, too small. I think that's like the perfect amount. Then she puts it in her mouth, so I won't be able to talk. Sorry guys. I know you really wanted to hear me talk.
Do this on both sides of your head and secure them away from the rest of the hair with an elastic, hair clip, or something like that.
These are even. I can't believe she actually does this. I have to do this for the rest of the video. I'm gonna look so silly. I really do look like this right now.
Isolate the upper third of your hair, starting the division line at your ears. Separate this bunch of hair into 2 even sections by splitting them down your centered part. We're going to turn these 2 sections of hair into basic English 3-strand braids. Braid as far to the ends of your hair as you can and secure with an elastic.
She said to go as far down as you can, and I did. Now you just repeat. Okay, now these braids go back to the back, and we'll do the next step.
Grab your hair bodkin and stick it through the roots of your 2 braids.
That was horrible.
Wrap both around the outside of the hair bodkin as well as across the middle until you run out of braid.
I can't do what she just... Okay. She went left over right. Okay, I can't. No way, no way. Okay. Left over right. Under, over. And then this one over and this one under. This is quite interesting. This is wild. Okay, have your bobby pins already out before you start this, because this is just crazy.
Tuck the ends of your braid underneath the rest of the bun and pin in place.
I just put 2 in and my ends are hidden. She used like 6. I hope my ends are hidden. Then she says you need more just to secure it, so I'm assuming that's because when we take the bodkin out, it'll... Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Very carefully remove your hair bodkin.
I added 3 more to secure it, so I have 5 in there total, not 20. And she looks like she puts 10 at the most. Let's just take it out. It stayed! Okay, I don't think I need more.
Grab a small amount from the top of the section and twist it a couple times towards the back of your head. Grab another small bit from right beneath that and add it in, and twist a few times more. Continue this adding and twisting until all of the hairline hair is incorporated. Tuck it underneath your bun at the back of your head and pin in place.
I don't look insane anymore. Just kidding, I still do. This part's really easy. I can do this. Take the top piece and twist a few times. Then another piece. Add and twist. And you're twisting it toward, yeah, like she said, the back of your head. And you make kind of like a horizontal line under your braided bun thing. And then pin it, which is easy.
Repeat the twisting and pinning on the other side of your head.
These little guys are falling down. I don't really know what to do about them. She doesn't tell us what to do with the ends.
Congratulations, we now have the finished Cersei updo.
There's no way, guys. I can't hide the ends of the twists. I think the twists ruin the look for me. I had to put so many bobby pins in to fix them, and I didn't tuck the ends of the bun well because they're flying out, so I had to put a bunch of bobby pins. So now it just looks like there's a bunch of bobby pins on this braid in my hair. It doesn't even look like a hairstyle, it just looks like a ton of pins. I don't think the twists work. I think the twists ruin it because, yeah, they're so loose, so I need to put more bobby pins in to hold them up. Because twists don't work in thin hair. I don't know. I'm just speculating. But they're like falling out and the ends of them just stick down in my hair, and because the ends of my hair are a lot lighter than the top of my hair, it looks really obvious, like you can just see the twists. I filmed it a couple different times and I kept watching it back and trying to fix it, and I can't make it look good. So we're leaving it at this. I think I'm gonna keep trying it in the next few days, and I might try it a few times without the twists. I might try it with curly hair to see if that helps my texture. That might help. So that took about 20 minutes, which is not bad at all. This is a nice look for 20 minutes. I am including the serum in that time. So if you aren't using serum and you also don't do the twists, it'd probably be 10 to 15 minutes. I mean, the 2 braids take a while just to separate out and then do, but once you do the bobkin, that's like a 2 or 3 minute thing. Pull the pin out and it's perfect if you have your ends all tucked and everything. For ability to follow, I'm gonna say 4.5 out of 5. I normally give her a 5 out of 5 because she is really awesome, but this was kind of brutal. The bobkin part, I feel like she could have maybe said like left over right, tuck under, tuck over, and I could have followed it a little bit better. And then the twist part, I just think she didn't show where she puts the ends, and I'm assuming she tucks them into the band, but when I tried that, they just became all loose, and I don't know. For outcome, I didn't think about this. I'm gonna say 4 out of 5. Is that so mean? It's just close. It's close, but it's not there. It's not perfect. Most of the ones I do from her are perfect. I want to give it a 5 out of 5. I feel like if I'd done it better, I would give it a 5 out of 5. But the problem is that it's just kind of a hard look to do. And the outcome of this video was a 4 out of 5, so I'm going to stick with my 4 out of 5. So that's an 8.5 out of 10, which is an 85%. So this is a B. But crazy enough, this is one of my favorite ones personally because I like half up, half downs. And the Daenerys one with tons of braids, even though it's like a half up, half down, it's so many braids and it's so much that it just kind of looks like a down or up. Yeah, back. I'm gonna keep trying it over the next few days or weeks. I don't know. When I get to a hairstyle that I like, I kind of stick with it for a while. So I may try this for a long time, and if I eventually can fix it or figure it out, that would be great. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day or week or month, and I hope if you try this that it works out and goes better than mine. I think yours will go better than mine just because, yeah. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I hope you do this look. Have a good one. Bye.